Touchless kitchen faucets are becoming a staple in modern homes, moving from public restrooms to our private sinks. But with a higher price tag, you have to ask, are they a smart investment or just a flashy gadget? The biggest advantage is hygiene. When you are cooking with raw meat or sticky dough, you don't want to touch the faucet handle. Going touchless eliminates the spread of bacteria and keeps your fixture cleaner, reducing the need for constant wiping. Convenience is the second major perk. When your hands are full of pots or covered in soap, a simple wave of the wrist or forearm activates the flow. It streamlines the cooking and cleaning process in a way a manual handle simply cannot. These units are also surprisingly eco-friendly. Because the sensor shuts the water off automatically when you move away, it prevents the water from running idly while you scrub dishes or lather your hands, leading to significant water savings over time. However, they aren't perfect. Installation is more complex, and unlike a standard faucet, they require a power source. You will need to change batteries occasionally or have an outlet under the sink, and sensors can sometimes be finicky if not maintained. So, is it worth it? If you cook frequently, have a busy household, or hate cleaning grime off handles, the answer is yes. The daily convenience and cleanliness usually outweigh the higher upfront cost and battery maintenance. Ready to upgrade your kitchen technology? Whether you want a touchless sensor or a traditional style, we ensure a perfect installation. Contact Black Mountain Plumbing to discuss your options. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.